now we're going to be dividing decimals by decimals, all right? And so to do that, I need to get my divisor into a whole number. So let's go ahead and first write it out. So I have 18 and 2/10 divided by 1 and 4/10. All right, so to get that to a whole number, I need to multiply both sides by 10 because I have one value to the right of the decimal. All right, so I'm going to move the decimal spot over one time. All right, and so that becomes 182 divided by 14. Now I can just divide. And my decimal is going to be, if I can't put the decimal over here because I just did move it, I may need it, I may not. So it's going to go right above itself. All right, 14 goes in 18 one time. And goes into 42 3 times. And 0. And I don't actually need that because I get a nice no remain. I don't have to keep on going. So my answer is 13. All right, letter B. Ooh, what happened? Was it? You can't see this. All right, there we go. All right. So 273,000 divided by 39 hundredths. All right, now I need to multiply both sides by 100 because I have two numbers to the right of the decimal. So times 100 times 100. All right, so this is going to go over 1, 2. This is going to go over 1, 2. And so what that becomes, 27 3/10 divided by 39. All right, 39 goes to 27 0. The decimal goes right above itself. And then so 39 goes in 273. 7 times. And that's going to give me an even number with nothing else to continue. All right, and so that is my answer. So 7/10. All right. All right, go ahead and give the two extra examples a shot. Resume the video when you're ready to go over the answer. All right, so A, 68 and 4/10 divided by 5/7. So 68 4/10 divided by 5 7/10. All right, they got to move it, multiply it by 10. So do the same thing here by 10, and that becomes 684 divided by 57. All right, and so my decimal spot's going to be right here if I need it. 57 goes into 68 one time. Let's see. 1, 1, but now 4 goes to 14 2 times. It's going to be 114, and that's going to give me 0. So I'm done. So the answer is 12. All right, letter B. 336 thousandths divided by 42 hundredths. All right, so I got to multiply both sides by 100, so I'm moving the decimal spot over 2 times on both the divisor and the dividend, and that becomes 33 and 6/10 divided by 42. All right, decimal is going to go right above. 42 doesn't not go into 33, but it goes into 336. I think 8 times. 8 times. So this is 0. 8 times, and it's going to be 336, so nothing to continue on. So the answer is 8/10. All right, go ahead and do the on your own.